Alright guys, here's 5 cool facts about these 1960 Ford Starliners. Here, let's begin with number 1. Some of them actually came with power seats and powered windows. In 1960, that's a pretty cool thing. Want to add on to that thing? Electric windows. Oh, and windshield wipers, I mean. Electric windows, electric seats, windshield wipers, electric too. Number 2, these cars are a 1-year only body style. They make it in 61, but they were completely different. Add in a little couple. These engines were a 223 in 6, a 292 Y black, a 352 FE, and a 352 FE with 360 horsepower, which is the first and Ford engine to displace more horsepower than the displacement. So that's a cool fact there. Number 4, these cars can fit a different range of Galaxy parts in it. 62, 63 Galaxy seats, 62 Galaxy instrument cluster, 61 can probably fit, and probably same with a dash. So that's pretty cool. Number 5, these came with like lead paint, I believe, and that's why this car has original paint, that 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 car has original paint, and that one has original paint. 1960s. Any Ford back then was made with that kind of paint. Also, you'll get 2 different kinds of sun visors. You'll get these cloth plastic ones, or these better looking foam vinyl ones. I prefer those. And also, radio was an option. Some of them came with a choke. Some of them were 3 on a tree like this one. Some of them were Ford-O-Matic or Cruise-O-Matic. Also, fender skirts were an option. So, yeah. Bonus, these also came with a spotlight, but these Starliners were the highest trim Galaxy you can get. There was a Fairlane 500, Galaxy 2-door, 4-door. There was a wagon, there was an Edsel, there's a Sunliner. Sunliners like the Galaxy, but yeah, all different kinds. But this is the highest trim, most chromy, highest value, more desirable. If anyone wants to trade. But yeah, that was 5 facts about these 1960 Ford Starliners. If you want to see more videos about them, subscribe to the channel.